Hello, fellow adventurers. I'm Samantha Brown, and welcome to Travel Partner. Our channel is dedicated to making travel accessible for everyone, no matter your budget. Today, we're taking you on a 2-day adventure through Macau, where East meets West, for just $220. We'll show you how to explore historic streets, iconic landmarks, and world-famous casinos, all while enjoying delicious local food without breaking the bank. Think of me as your personal guide. We've planned everything so you can relax and enjoy. If you love travel, hit subscribe and join our community of explorers. Ready to discover the magic of Macau? Let's dive in and prove you don't need a fortune for a rich travel experience. Let's get started. Here's how we'll make $220 stretch for 2 days in Macau. $80 goes to a clean, safe guest house or budget hotel. $60 covers tasty local meals and snacks. The remaining $80 is for transportation, sightseeing, and maybe a small souvenir or a fun bet at a casino. We'll use free shuttle buses and walk to save money. Day 1. Explore the historic Macau Peninsula. Portuguese buildings, ancient temples, and the ruins of St. Paul's. Evening. Experience the Cotai Strip's dazzling casinos. Day 2. Discover Taipa and Cologne. Peaceful temples, charming streets, and famous snacks. We'll focus on free activities. Senado Square, ruins of St. Paul's, and casino lobbies are all free to visit. For food, we'll eat like locals at small eateries and food stalls. Avoid tourist traps. Find authentic, affordable spots locals love. This plan guarantees you see Macau's highlights and hidden gems without overspending. Day 1 starts at Senado Square, the vibrant heart of Macau and a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has witnessed centuries of history and cultural exchange. The iconic wave-patterned mosaic stones beneath your feet and the pastel-hued colonial buildings surrounding you make it feel like you've stepped into a slice of Europe right here in Asia, blending old-world charm with local flair. Wander through the bustling square, snap photos of the lively scenes, and soak up the energetic atmosphere as locals and travelers mingle. Just steps away, visit the Holy House of Mercy and St. Dominic's Church, both free to enter and brimming with fascinating stories from Macau's past. Skip the pricey cafes. Instead, grab a steaming bowl of congee or a fresh pineapple bun from a local bakery for a cheap, authentic breakfast that locals love. Take it slow. Admire the intricate tiled buildings, the vintage street lamps, and the charming traditional shops that line the streets, each with its own unique character. This area is best explored on foot, allowing you to truly appreciate Macau's unique blend of Chinese and Portuguese cultures at every turn. Notice the street signs in both Chinese and Portuguese, the gentle scent of incense drifting from nearby temples, and the irresistible aroma of freshly baked pastries wafting through the air. Senado Square is all about experiencing Macau's rich history and vibrant street life, without spending a dime, making it perfect for budget travelers. Enjoy the little details, from ornate balconies to candid moments of people enjoying the city, and let Macau's character slowly unfold around you. Every corner here tells a story, waiting to be discovered by curious explorers. This is the perfect start to your Macau adventure. With so much to see and experience, let's keep exploring and uncover more of what this fascinating city has to offer. Next, stroll up the lively street to the ruins of St. Paul's, Macau's most iconic landmark, where history and culture meet at every step. As you make your way, enjoy free samples of beef jerky and almond cookies from friendly street vendors, a delicious introduction to Macau's unique blend of flavors. The ruins' grand stone facade, covered in intricate carvings and centuries-old details, is all that remains of a once mighty church that stood as a symbol of faith and resilience. Climb the broad stairs for a closer look, and don't forget to snap that classic Macau photo, one for the memory books. Behind the ruins, Visit the small, free museum, where you'll discover artifacts and stories that bring Macau's rich past to life. For lunch, try a famous pork chop bun from a nearby stall. Delicious, filling, and budget-friendly, it's a local favorite that's sure to satisfy your appetite. After lunch, explore Monte Fort next door, a historic fortress that once protected the city from invaders. Walk the old fortress walls, see historic cannons up close, and take in sweeping panoramic views of Macau's old rooftops and glittering modern casinos stretching into the distance. The fort is free to enter and offers a unique perspective on the city's fascinating blend of old and new, all in one breathtaking view. This afternoon is all about history, flavors, and unforgettable views. Savor every moment as you wander through these vibrant streets. Macau's past and present come together here, creating a cityscape unlike anywhere else in the world. And you've barely spent a thing, making this adventure as affordable as it is memorable. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle, let's see what the evening holds. Your Macau journey is just getting started. As night falls, hop on a free casino shuttle to the Cotai Strip, Macau's modern playground. Step inside the Venetian Macao, where canals, gondolas, and painted skies transport you to Venice. No gambling required. Wander the bridges, browse the shops, and marvel at the spectacle, all for free. For dinner, head to the food court for affordable Asian or Western dishes, delicious meals for $10 to $15. Rest your feet, refuel, and get ready for more. After dinner, catch free entertainment, the Wynn Palace Performance Lakes Water and Light Show, or the sparkling Eiffel Tower at the Parisian. Take a free skycab ride for a bird's eye view. The Cotai Strip's lights and energy are unforgettable, and you can enjoy it all on a budget. Macau's modern side is just as thrilling as its history. Enjoy the show. This is the perfect end to your first day. Tomorrow, we'll discover a quieter side of Macau. Day 2 begins at Ama Temple, Macau's oldest and most sacred site. This peaceful temple, dedicated to the sea goddess Ama, gave Macau its name. Wander through incense-filled halls, climb stone steps, and watch locals pray. The temple's hillside setting offers tranquil views of the harbor and city. Respect the quiet atmosphere and observe local traditions. The surrounding neighborhood is authentic and less touristy, perfect for a morning stroll. Experience a side of Macau many visitors miss. This gentle start sets the tone for a day of discovery. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget adventures. Let's continue exploring Macau's hidden gems. Next stop, Taipa Village. Head to Taipa Village, a charming maze of colorful streets just steps from the Cotai Strip. The blend of Portuguese and Chinese architecture makes it a photographer's dream. Taipa is famous for food, especially the legendary Portuguese egg tart. Flaky, creamy, and just over $1. Grab one from a local bakery like Lord Stowe's. For lunch, find a busy local spot serving noodle soups or Macanese specialties. Delicious and affordable. After eating, wander the village's shops, art galleries, and small temples. Visit the Taipa Houses Museum for a glimpse of colonial life. Taipa Village is all about slowing down and enjoying the details. Discover hidden corners and soak up the relaxed vibe. This is the perfect afternoon escape from the city's bustle. Let's savor every bite and every moment. For your last evening in Macau, immerse yourself in the charm of Taipa Village and take a leisurely stroll along Rua do Cunha, Macau's famous food street, bustling with energy and local flavors. Savor a steaming bowl of curry noodles, or try minchi, a beloved Macanese comfort food, for a dinner that's both satisfying and easy on your wallet. The aromas and flavors here are a true reflection of Macau's unique culinary heritage. Don't forget dessert. Treat yourself to a scoop of durian ice cream, or indulge in a creamy serradura from a cozy local shop. These sweet treats are the perfect way to end your meal and experience Macau's playful side. Wander the lively street, dessert in hand, and soak up the vibrant night atmosphere as locals and travelers mingle under glowing lanterns and neon lights. For a memorable final view, walk toward the Cotai Strip and find a quiet spot to admire the dazzling casino lights that illuminate the night sky. The Eiffel Tower at the Parisian and the glowing hotels create a spectacular farewell scene, blending European elegance with Macau's modern energy. Take a moment to reflect on your journey. Historic squares, iconic ruins, mouth-watering street food, and unforgettable sights, all discovered while sticking to your budget. Macau's contrasts, where old Portuguese architecture meets futuristic casinos, make it truly special and unlike anywhere else in the world. You've experienced its heart and soul, connecting with its culture, people, and vibrant spirit. This is the perfect way to say goodbye to Macau, with memories that will last long after you leave. Remember, the best travel memories don't have to cost a fortune. Sometimes the simplest moments are the most meaningful. Let's wrap up our adventure, carrying the spirit of Macau with us wherever we go. Our 2-day, $220 Macau adventure ends here, but your journey is just beginning. Macau's blend of cultures, history, and excitement is waiting for you to explore. Use this guide as your starting point, but make your own discoveries along the way. The real joy of travel is in the unexpected moments. Subscribe to Travel Partner for more budget-friendly guides and inspiration. Thank you for joining me, Samantha Brown, on this unforgettable trip. Remember, adventure is about experience, not expense. Happy travels! See you on our next journey!